We usually think about technology in pieces, right? You've got AI over here, robotics over there. But what happens when all of those pieces start to click together? Today, we're going to look at how this incredible convergence is set to totally reshape our world by 2025. It's happening faster than you think.
No, really. Just stop and picture this for a second. Your AI assistant isn't just setting a timer for your pizza. It's designing entire city infrastructures. We're talking about autonomous labs discovering brand new materials while we're all asleep. And look, this isn't some far-off sci-fi movie. This hyper-connected, intelligent world, well, it's the reality we are building as we speak.
So, what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's not just one single breakthrough. It's about how things like AI, robotics, biotech, and even quantum computing are all starting to weave together. They're creating this technological fabric that's way stronger and smarter than anything we've ever seen before. So let's dive in and see how it's all happening.
Okay, first up, right at the absolute heart of this whole revolution is artificial intelligence. You've got to stop thinking of it as just another tool in the toolbox. It's way more than that. It's basically the digital brain that's going to power everything else.
And this is the part that's so important to get. We've totally moved past the idea of AI being some niche app for specialists. It is now the fundamental backbone of productivity. It's the engine driving automation, and it's opening up completely new frontiers for creativity. It's kind of becoming this invisible force that's changing, well, everything.
And you can see this happening all around us. It's become so real. I mean, AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, they're not just answering our homework questions anymore. They're designing incredibly complex software, generating stunning visual art, figuring out how to manage the energy grids for entire smart cities, and they're acting as the core intelligence for countless autonomous systems. It's huge.
So once you have that powerful AI brain, what's the next logical step? Well, you give it a body, right? You let it act on its own. And that's exactly where we're seeing the explosion of autonomous systems, and they are popping up in literally every industry you can possibly imagine.
And this is where the scale of it all really hits you. I mean, it starts with something kind of simple, like a drone delivering a package right to your front door. But it scales up so fast. Soon, you've got entire factories that manage their own supply chains, using AI to predict when a machine needs fixing before it even breaks. The end game? Entire city infrastructures that can basically heal themselves. This isn't a dream. This is the frontier of what's being built today.
Okay, so we've got the AI brain, we've got the autonomous body. What connects it all together? That's where you get this intelligent global network. This is the moment where the Internet of Things, or IoT, merges with AI and the sheer power of cloud computing.
Let's break this down. It's actually a really cool analogy. You've got billions of IoT devices out there, everything from your smartwatch to tiny sensors in a farmer's field. They act as the census, just constantly gathering data. Then you have 5G in the cloud. That's the nervous system, zipping all that information around instantly. And of course, at the center of it all is AI, the brain, making smart, real-time decisions. That's how your coffee machine is going to know to start brewing your favorite cup the exact moment your alarm goes off.
Now, if all of that wasn't already mind-blowing enough, the next great leap is about blurring the lines between our own human experience and this new digital world. We are talking about a genuine fusion of technology and humanity. Think about it. Right now, we deal with tech through screens and keyboards, right? They're separate tools that we pick up and put down. But by 2025, that whole barrier just starts to melt away. Augmented and virtual reality will completely redefine our offices, turning any wall or desk into an interactive display. And we're going to see the first real brain-computer interfaces starting to show up, letting us connect our thoughts directly to digital actions. We're stepping into a world where digital and physical are one and the same.
Okay, so with all this incredible, world-changing power at our fingertips, we've got to ask a really important question. We need to pivot from just the what of technology to the how. In this new AI-powered future, what is our role? Where do we fit in?
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. It's really the heart of the matter. As these technologies get more and more powerful, the big question isn't just about their capabilities anymore. It's about how we as humans choose to use them. It's about consciously designing a future where all this amazing power works with us, not against us, to amplify our own abilities.
So, let's be clear. This new era isn't about humans being replaced. Not at all. It's about creating these massive, incredible opportunities for anyone who learns how to collaborate with AI. The future of work,
the future of education, it's all going to be defined by our ability to partner up with these intelligent systems, using them to boost our own unique skills and creativity.
And that right there, that's the ultimate goal, human-AI synergy. It's a partnership where our uniquely human ingenuity, our creativity, our intuition, our empathy gets amplified by the raw computational power and speed of AI. And together, that partnership is going to unlock a kind of progress that we can barely even begin to imagine today.
Look, this future isn't just something that's going to happen to us. It's something we are all actively building, right now. The people who adapt today, who learn to work alongside these new tools, they're the ones who are going to lead us into tomorrow. The future is a choice, so the real question is, are you ready to help make it?
If you want to stay ahead of the curve in this wild AI-powered world, make sure you're subscribed. And now I really want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, out of everything we talked about, which one of these converging technologies are you most excited to see in action? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.